Imagine yourself in this 2008 Mercedes-Benz R-Class. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable 6-cylinder engine. The powertrain includes all-wheel drive that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio, power mirrors. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.